Hey guys, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about what this important display message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine display, means for your iPhone, and the reason behind seeing this message and how you can possibly fix this message in this video, and some solutions that we're going to talk about. But before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaways, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys are in the market for an Apple product at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the link in the description section. So first thing first, when will you notice this? This message will actually pop up in a couple places. It might be in your notification center the first couple days, and then after that it will probably go away, and something you'll find in the settings. And once you go into settings and go to general and about, it will display right under your information of the phone, like the serial numbers and such, and you'll notice that message. And there's really no way to remove it on the software itself by doing anything special, although some might claim there is, but it's really tricky. Well, let's understand what this message means. Well, this message means that a couple things that happen. The iPhone lineup that you have, this message usually shows up, or the iPhone 11 and the 12 lineup. So if you have iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, Pro Max, or iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, and 12 Max. All of those are two different lineups that Apple has started to show this message. And this message means the iPhone screen has been replaced with maybe a non-generic brand, and it's not the genuine iPhone display itself. And the reason why Apple wants to show this screen is because iPhone displays are very important. They're designed and tested and manufactured by Apple for Apple quality and performance standard. Because of the software they build, it's tightly integrated so that your things like multitask and high brightness and color accuracy with balance and performance with things like True Tone, Night Shift, and haptic touch are possible in a way that it is making the phone look like the experience that you should. And that's why you buy Apple product, because of this awesome display that they have. Well, if it gets replaced by a non-genuine display, you're gonna have issues like multi-touch sometimes not being responsive. Maybe you have a dead screen. Things like 3D touch might not work, and you maybe even when you're making calls, it might randomly be flickering on and off because the proper display sensors haven't been set up correctly. Things like you might notice with the brightness of the phone not being as bright, and or it becoming adjusting lighting differently, and to a degree where it might even shut down the phone suddenly because the cabling wasn't done correctly and enough power isn't going to the display, and much more. So when you're buying a phone that has that message, you really want to be careful, and the risk behind it is because the display might have not been replaced with a genuine one. It might be an off-brand, off-market one, and necessarily doesn't mean it's bad. You might be still able to use the phone without really any issue. It's just that do know that the quality and the performance might not be the same as a genuine original iPhone display that you have if you bought it straight from Apple, or if you got a phone that has the genuine display to it. And let's talk about how you can actually get this message removed. Well, first thing first is, if you know that you have replaced the display with the genuine display itself, you want to make sure that your software is up to date to the latest version. So right now, as you can see, there's one update we can do. We can download and install that update. That's the first thing you want to do. Make sure you're the latest update. And then once you have updated the phone, give it maybe a day or two to see if that message goes away. If that message still doesn't go away, you would want to go ahead and take it to an Apple store or authorized Apple repair shop and get them to check it out to see if the display is indeed genuine or not. And if it's found that the display itself is not genuine, you can actually get that authorized Apple retail store or the Apple store itself to replace it with a genuine screen, as they have the right technicians and the right genuine part to help you change the display to the one that's optimally supposed to be on that phone, and this message will go away. So unfortunately, there isn't really much of a software fix for this at this moment besides getting a display, the hardware itself, to be the right genuine part for your iPhone. But it's something that, of course, hopefully this video helps you guys explain and figure out how to go about getting this message removed. So hopefully this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll be doing a lot more video for you guys in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.